you're driving the Sula road today, you'd be forgiven for thinking there's nothing here worth stopping for. A sports park, a football pitch, a few houses. But what if I told you that just behind those trees, less than an hour from the car, there's a summit with one of the most perfectly framed views of Hjørundfjorden you'll find anywhere in Sunnmøre. Today, I'm letting you in on a little local secret. This is the Leirvåg mountain. The route starts here, at Sunnmøre Sports Park. You step out of your car, and just like that, you're on your way. It's one of those approaches I really appreciate. No fuss, no long gravel road. You park, you walk, and within minutes, the road is already somewhere behind you. The sky is low and overcast today. No rain, just a thick, soft grey pressing down over everything. And honestly, it's perfect hiking weather. Warm, still, not a breath of wind. The kind of day where you almost forget what effort feels like. The first section winds through birch forest. Well marked, well maintained, and genuinely beautiful. The trail steepens here, not dramatically, but enough. Your legs wake up, your breathing changes. And then you hit the rope section. It's fixed to the rock face for anyone who needs it. I used it, no hesitation. There's no shame in using the tools that are there. Someone put that rope there because they cared that you make it to the top safely. I always think about that. These trails don't maintain themselves. There are people who come up here with tools and rope and a quiet kind of dedication, just so you and I can walk this path on a warm grey Tuesday and not think twice about it. It's worth a moment of appreciation. And then, the trees let go. The ridge opens up and Hjørundfjorden appears below you, and I'm going to be honest, I stopped walking. Because on an overcast day like this, the fjord doesn't look silver. It looks slate blue, almost pewter. Deep and perfectly still, with the mountains on either side pushing 1400 meters straight out of the water on both sides. To the north, Ålesund sits on its islands in the distance, small and perfect. 254 meters. It sounds like nothing. Up here, it feels like everything. From the summit, I continued the loop back down. The air's still warm, the grey sky starting to lift just slightly at the edges. I stopped halfway down just to sit for a moment. No particular reason, just because I could. That's what a mountain like this does to you. It reminds you that you don't always need to be moving, to be somewhere worth being. Leirvågfjellet mountain, 254 meters, less than an hour's walk to get to the summit. Right here on Sula, hiding in plain sight behind a football pitch. If you've been sleeping on this one, don't anymore. I'd love to hear about your favorite hidden summits. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this little trip, don't forget to subscribe for more hidden adventures from Norway and beyond.